Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and good morning, my dear students, and welcome to all in Divisional Public School and College, Sahiwal. My name is Saima Ramzan, and today I am going to teach you mathematics of class 3. And its learning objectives are: by the end of this lesson, you will be able to multiplying by 100 and multiplying by multiples of 100. इस लेसन के इख्तिताम पर आप इस काबिल हो जाएंगे कि आप किसी भी नंबर को 100 से मल्टीप्लाई कर सकेंगे और 100 के मल्टीपल से मल्टीप्लाई कर सकेंगे. As I have told you in the previous lecture that how to multiply any number by 10 and how to multiply any number by multiples of 10. So my dear students, I have some questions for you and you have to give me the answer, okay? So my first question is, you have to multiply 28 by 10. Can you tell me the answer of this? Yes, very good. 280. Now my second question is, you have to multiply 44 by 30. Now tell me the answer of this. Yes, good. 1320. So my dear students, when you multiply any number by 10 or multiples of 10, first of all multiply that number by 1's place digit and then multiply by 10's place digit, okay? So let's start the topic of today. The topic of today is multiplication and its contents are multiplying by 100 and multiplying by multiples of 100. First of all, we will discuss about multiplying by 100. Let's explain this with the help of examples. Example number 1 is here. Find the product of 8 and 100. You have to multiply 8 by 100. So there are 3 steps for solving this. इसको solve करने के 3 steps होते हैं. In the first step, what you have to do? You have to multiply 8 by 0. फर्स्ट स्टेप में आप 8 को 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे विच इज एट 1's प्लेस. व्हेन यू विल मल्टीप्लाई 8 by 0, जब आप 8 को 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे देन यू विल गेट द आंसर 8 zeros are 0. देन यू विल पुट दिस 0 एट 1's प्लेस. नाउ इन सेकेंड स्टेप व्हाट यू हैव टू डू? यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई 8 by 0 विच इज एट 10's प्लेस. आप 8 को 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे जो कि 10's प्लेस पर है. 8 zeros are 0. देन यू विल गेट द आंसर 0 and you will put this 0 at 10's place. Now there is a third step. In third step what you have to do? You have to multiply 8 by 1 which is at 100 place. आप 8 को 1 से multiply करेंगे then you will get the answer 8 ones are 8 and put this 8 at 100 place. So it means that when you will multiply 8 by 100 you will get the answer 800. So let's see the second example. And the second example is here. You have to multiply 94 by 100. So how to multiply this one? As I have told you, there are 3 steps for solving this. इसके भी solve करने के 3 steps होते हैं. First of all, you will multiply 94 by 0. आप 94 को 0 से multiply करेंगे जो कि 1's place पर है. Then you will get the answer 94 zeros are 0 and put this 0 at 1's place. Now in second step, you have to multiply 94 by 0 which is at 10's place. जब आप 94 को 0 से multiply करेंगे then you will get the answer 94 zeros are 0 and put this 0 at 10's place. Now there is a third step. In the third step you have to multiply 94 by 1. Third step में आप 94 को 1 से multiply करेंगे which is at 100 place. जब आप 94 को 1 से multiply करेंगे then you will get the answer 94 ones are 94 और 94 में आप 4 को 100 प्लेस पर लिखेंगे और 9 को 1000 प्लेस पर. So it means that when you will multiply 94 by 100 then you will get the answer 9400. So I hope my dear students you have cleared all the points that how to multiply any number by 100. Now we will discuss about multiplying by multiples of 100. Do you know what are multiples? As I have told you, those numbers which are divisible by another number are called multiples of that number. As you can see here, all these numbers 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800 or 900. All these numbers are divisible by 100. So these are multiples of 100. Now we will discuss how to multiply any number by multiples of 100. So let's see with the help of examples. The example number 1 is here. You have to multiply 8 by 200. Do you know what is 200? 200 is a multiple of 100. अब हम 8 को 100 के मल्टीपल से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. There are also 3 steps for solving this. इसको भी सॉल्व करने के 3 steps हैं. फर्स्ट स्टेप में आपने 8 को 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, विच इज एट वंस प्लेस. जब आप 8 को 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, देन यू विल गेट द आंसर 8 zeros are 0 एंड पुट दिस 0 एट वंस प्लेस. अब सेकंड स्टेप में आप क्या करेंगे, 8 को 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, विच इज एट टेंस प्लेस. जब आप 8 को 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, देन यू विल गेट द आंसर 8 zeros are 0. ओके, और 0 को आप टेंस प्लेस पर लिखेंगे. देन इन थर्ड स्टेप व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, थर्ड स्टेप में आप 8 को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, देन यू विल गेट द आंसर 16. और 16 में आप 6 को 100 प्लेस पर लिखेंगे और 1 को 1000 प्लेस पर. इट मीन्स दैट व्हेन यू विल मल्टीप्लाई 8 by 200, देन यू विल गेट द आंसर 1600. So let's see the second example. And second example is here 11 multiply 400. आप 11 को 400 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. डू यू नो व्हाट इज 400? यस, 400 इज ऑल्सो मल्टीपल ऑफ 100. अब हम 11 को 100 के मल्टीपल से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. देयर आर ऑल्सो 3 स्टेप्स फॉर सॉल्विंग दिस. इसको भी सॉल्व करने के 3 स्टेप्स हैं. पहले स्टेप में आप 11 को 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करें, विच इज एट वंस प्लेस, एंड देन यू विल गेट द आंसर 11 zeros are 0. Yes. Now multiply 11 by 0, which is at tens place. अब हम 11 को 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, which is at tens place. Then you will get the answer 0 and put the 0 at tens place. Now in third step, what you have to do, you have to multiply 11 by 4, and when you will multiply 11 by 4, you will get the answer 11 fours are 44. और इसमें आप 4 को 100 प्लेस पर लिखेंगे और 4 को आप 1000 प्लेस पर लिखेंगे. ठीक है. इट मीन्स दैट व्हेन यू विल मल्टीप्लाई 11 by 400, देन यू विल गेट द आंसर 4400. I hope my dear students you have cleared the points that how to multiply any number by multiples of 100. Now it's time for recapitulation. Today we have discussed how to multiply any number by 100 and how to multiply any number by multiples of 100. Now there are some examples for you. You have to multiply 17 by 100. So how to multiply this one? First of all, multiply 17 by 0, which is at ones place. Good. Now when you will multiply 17 by 0, then what answer you will get here? 0. And put this 0 at ones place. Good. Now multiply 17 by 0, which is at tens place. Yes. Now when you will multiply 17 by 0, then what answer you will get here? Yes, 0. And put the 0 at tens place. Yes. Now in third step, what you have to do? In third step, you have to multiply 17 by 1. And when you will multiply 17 by 1, and what answer will be here? 17 ones are 17. और in 17, आप 17 में 7 को 100 प्लेस पे लिखेंगे और 1 को 1000 प्लेस पे. When you will multiply 17 by 100, what answer will be here? 1700. Now there is a second example. In the second example, what you have to do? You have to multiply 6 by 0. आप 6 को 0 से multiply करेंगे, which is at ones place. Then what answer will be here? 6 zeros are 0. और इस 0 को आप ones place पर लिखेंगे. Then in second step, what you have to do? You have to multiply 6 by 0. Very good. And what answer will be here? 0. Yes. And put the 0 at tens place. Now in third step, what do you have to do? In third step, you have to multiply 6 by 5, and 6 5s are 30. और 30 में आप 0 को 100 प्लेस पर लिखेंगे और 3 को 1000 प्लेस पर. And when you will multiply 6 by 500, what answer will be here? 3000. Yes, very good. My dear student, I hope you have cleared all the points that how to multiply any number by 100 and how to multiply any number by multiples of 100. Now there is an assessment for you. In this assessment you have to solve these three questions, and the first question is here 19 multiply 100, and second is here 200 multiply 40, and third one is here 17 multiply 300. आप इन तीनों क्वेश्चंस को अपनी नोटबुक पर सॉल्व करेंगे. There is a home assignment for you, and you have to do practice of exercise 2C, page number 71 and 72. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.